Hello, my name is Francesca Cricelli. I am a Brazilian-Italian poet and I'm currently living in Reykjavik in Iceland. And I'm very thankful for this invitation from the PEN in Croatia to record a poem. I'm going to read a poem that was originally written in Portuguese and then later on translated by me and rewritten in English. And it talks about one of my first connections with the landscape in Iceland, about a year before I moved here, when I was visiting. And I speak about Esja, which is this big mountain that you can see from almost everywhere in Reykjavik. And it really shelters the capital city from the strong winds during the winter. So the poem is also about this, among other things. Do you know God? Esja shelters an entire city, as no one else does, as nothing else does. It shelters, you say. It shields us from the biting wind. But there are days when the wind goes around and across. It goes beyond the rocky wall. It comes from the sea. It comes and it cuts the face. It cuts and brings the salt to the lips. As low defrost may never be seen at the horizon. The sky is milky and low, and it grows like grass over our heads. I can't reach its aerial roots. I can't undo the whiteness with my fingers. Its colorless nature waits upon my chest. My eyes are like fish hooks, and his eyes are wells of salt and honey. Behind the blueberries, wells of salt and honey. He loves his lover and loves her absence as he loves God. He asks me, do you know God? But if I don't believe, how would I know? Do you? I know you can't undo the pain. There is no possible Penelope to reverse yarn. But what if we deposed our shields? What if we stormed again? Wings grow within me, like those carried by the birds in Iceland, bluish feathers that spring inward from the scapula. They say it takes the flight to entangle faith. Thank you for this invitation, and thank you for listening to my poem.